Здравствуйте! Welcome back to our Russian language series. I'm Yelena, and today we will be learning about the imperative mood, which is used to give commands and make requests. Let's get started. The imperative mood is essential for giving instructions, making requests, and offering advice. In Russian, forming the imperative mood involves some specific rules based on verb conjugation. I talk about them in detail in my complete Russian language course, as well as in the Basic Russian book for levels A1 and A2. If you're serious about learning Russian and you're interested to check it out, I will leave the links in the description box. Let's start with some common verbs and how to form their imperative forms. Идти, to go. Делать, to do. Писать, to write. Читать, to read. Говорить, to speak. Now let's see how we can turn these verbs into commands. Here are the imperative forms for these verbs. Иди, иди, or идите, for plural. Идите. Делай, делай, or делайте, for plural. Пиши, for singular. Пишите, for plural. Пиши, пишите. Читай, for singular. Читайте, for plural. Говори, for singular. Говорите, for plural. Please note that the plural forms are also used when we address one person in a formal setting, or when we talk to a person who is older than us or of a higher status. Repeat after me. Иди, идите. Делай, делайте. Пиши, пишите. Читай, читайте. Говори, говорите. Now let's practice using these imperative forms in useful phrases. Иди в магазин. Go to the store. Иди в магазин. Делай домашнее задание. Do your homework. Делай домашнее задание. Пиши письмо. Пиши письмо. Write a letter. Читай эту книгу. Читай эту книгу. Read this book. Говори по-русски. Speak Russian. Говори по-русски. In addition to commands, you might need to make polite requests. In Russian, adding the word «пожалуйста» to your imperative makes it more polite. Идите в магазин, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста, делай домашнее задание. Пожалуйста, пиши письмо. Пожалуйста, читай эту книгу. Говорите по-русски, пожалуйста. Пожалуйста, говорите по-русски. Word order in Russian is flexible. Отлично! Excellent! Practice these commands and polite requests regularly to become more confident in giving instructions and making requests in Russian. In our next lesson, we'll explore more advanced conversational topics, including discussing past and future events. До свидания, and see you next time! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lessons. Пока!